Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Bags and Designs by Khembuzz. To my existing and to my new subscribers, welcome back to my channel. Guys, today's video I'll be making this lovely dashing bag. This is the second phase, so please guys go and watch the part 1 of this tutorial. This is the second part of this tutorial, and this is Ankara bag, Ankara plus leather, pure leather bag, original leather bag, African print plus original leather bag. Subscribe to my YouTube channel guys and click on the notification button. Thank you, I love you all, and God bless you. Guys, right now what I'm doing is I'm trying to take the measurements for my magnets. So 1 inch for the length and 1 inch for the width. Guys, I'm through with the magnets, I'm through with the pockets, so the next thing is just to take my inner part and the outer part and just gum it together. Guys, now I'm through gluing it together, so I'm just going to stitch it a little bit at the front and at the side. Then after that I'm going to work on the front part of the bag. This is the corset aspect. The length is 7 inches while the width is 4 inches. Guys, I've made a tutorial, like there's a tutorial for this corset on my channel. Please go and watch it. Go and watch it. You have a full idea of the full measurements. I'm going to drop the link under the description of this video. Please go and watch it. Go and watch it for better understanding. Guys, this is the bottom aspect. The width is 4 while the length is 9 inches. So this is my corset here. I'm working on the bottom aspect, so I'm just going to apply gum to it and glue it to my leather. Now I'm through with the corset. The next thing is just to stitch everything together. Now I'm through with the corset, so I'm just going to wrap gum to my fiber and just use my matte lining to close it up. So here I want to fix my eyelets, so I'm trying to look for a better measurement for it. You have to make sure that it's at the center of your bag. Here I'm trying to fix my magnets to the bag, so I'm trying to look for a very better position to fix the magnets. Guys, you can use same measurements that you use for your upper magnets for the down magnets, which is 1 inch down, 1 inch 1 inch length, 1 inch width. Guys, this is the front aspects. I've gum everything together, so the next thing is just to start stitching. So I'll start stitching everything together. So I'm done with all the parts, and now what I'm about doing is to take the front part of the bag and glue my corset to it and stitch. So right now I'm using my cylinder arms machine to stitch my bag, and after stitching it, and I'm just going to take the corset and glue it to the back part of the bag, which I am doing right now, and use my cylinder arms machine to stitch it up. Guys, this tutorial has come to an end. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for being part of this lovely tutorial today. Thank you so much. I love you guys. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the notification button. Thank you. I love you guys. Mwah.